Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable developer options in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to enable developer options, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for about phone section, tap on it. Then further scroll down and you will get software information, tap on it. And here you will get build number. You must have to keep tapping on it until you have to enter your pin, or if you haven't any pin you must have to enable OK, or here's the developer allow development setting. You must have to tap on OK and you can see developer mode has been enabled. Now go back and here further scroll down and you will get developer options here. So from here you can easily use different developer options of your phone. So that's how you can easily enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.